Hello, Pipeline admins. Welcome to Add Edit Forms. I got here by going to Settings, Data Entry, and then Add Edit Forms. There are a few ways to get your information into Pipeline CRM, whether it's import or by adding it in by hand. And Add Edit Forms helps you do that. You can customize these forms. It'll simplify your data entry. So in this demo account, again, I'm going to play in the deals. You'll see that there are a lot of custom fields over here, and they are arranged in the easy to manage groups. This is the form that you'll see if I go over here and say add a deal. You'll see we've got the deal name, amount, summary, and so on. So this is the form that we are going to go over here in settings, add edit forms, and we are going to arrange. This is so that your forms are super clean. People aren't having to skip entries or fields that don't make sense to them. Really tightens up that field and is great for user adoption. It's super simple. You've got the deal name up here. Maybe you would like to have the summary under the deal name. You can click on it and drag it up here, and you can arrange. Maybe we want deal name, company name, and then amount. That makes sense. Maybe we want to, probability. We're not tracking probability at this time. Super easy. You just grab it, and instead of moving it up and down, you drag it to hide it. The information's not gone. You can still add information in that field once you do a deep dive into the deal, but in the form, it's not there. So we scroll down again. Anything that doesn't make sense to you or you don't want that in there, we can get rid of that. And maybe we want to get rid of that. So now we want to see what this form looks like. You can go over here to preview form, or you can go up here to add and look at it here. But let's go to the preview form here, and you can see we changed that company name and the amount, and we pop down here, and then we see these fields down here. Now, these are fields that we did not bring in. So if I close here, I can see here this test demo. If I open this up, I can see, if you remember in the last video, we created all of these fields. Well, this is where I can go, hey, I want to drag the photo taken over here, and I want it up underneath the amount. Great, we can pop that in. We want to see what region that this deal is coming from. We can pop that in. And maybe we want that remaining budget balance. We could pop that in. Again, if I pop up here, preview form, you can see what we've added. There's that true or false. Here is the region. We pop those in and we can hit close. Remember, admins, any changes you make over here to this form affects all users. Again, let's look at that preview form. We'll scroll down here and we can see some of these fields that these are fields we don't really want our users to fill out. So I would like to hide these fields from this form. I can go over here and I can say, hide this, hide this, hide this. Oh, you're not going to be able to hide anything that doesn't have anything in. We're going to hide this, which includes all of these. Hide this, hide this. All right, let's look at our form now. It should be pretty cleaned up. We'll scroll down here and those are gone. Again, keeping this super clean. And that's it. Streamline your forms, keep things tidy, and make Pipeline CRM work the way you do.